This is tutorial number 89, and it covers how to use the search function feature within Catia V5. To start off, open up tutorial number 89, which is located on the DVD. Now, the search function is a very powerful tool because it allows you to search within your part or assembly and allows you to select multiple parts at one time. So what we're doing is, say you want to get rid of all of these planes. Instead of going one by one and hiding each of them, you're able to select all of them at one time and hide all of them at one time. So on a larger assembly that would have, say, 100 planes, going around 100 times and hiding each plane individually is very time consuming. With the search function, you're able to search all those planes all at once, and you're able to hide them all at once. So it saves you a lot of time. So to get to the search function, press Control F, and under Type, click From Element. So now you're able to choose an element in your part or assembly that you want to select. So let's choose one of the planes, and it's going to tell you exactly what you chose, the plane. Now we'll click Search and Select, and now it's selected all of the planes. So now all we have to do is just click the Hide Show, and now we've hidden all the planes all at once. Now in a large assembly with, say, 100 planes, this would be very useful. Now if you swap the views, you can see that we hid it. Now let's do the same thing with the sketch. So press Control F, and we'll select from element, and we'll just select one of the sketches. We'll click the search and select, and now we've selected all the sketches. And again, on a large scale, large assembly, a large number, this is very useful to select them all and to hide them all. Now you're able to select elements, but you're also able to kind of color coordinate your part. So right now this part's all red, and if I go and search, and if I do it under color and choose red, and if I click the search, it's going to show me all the red objects. So in your assembly, you're able to color coordinate stuff. So say all of your fasteners are all red, and say all of the nuts holding them on are all blue. So you're able to search all of your fasteners at one time using the red, and you can do blue for all of your nuts. So you can search all of the nuts with blue, and you can bring them all up. So again, this is a really quick and easy tool to select a large number of elements within your assemblies or even within your parts. And that concludes our tutorial on how to use the search function within Catia V5.